Hi guys, most welcome to another tutorials. Today I discuss that the new tutorial is how to clean up problem areas with the brush tools. Overall, I think my coloring result look at good, but there are some spots where that color need to be the touch it up. So here are how to quickly find any problem. Select the eyedropper tools. In first the toolbar select eyedropper tools. Increase the sample size. Then in the options bar make sure example size is set to the smoothings other than paint samples. The with the point sample selected you have grape